We are marketing a special piece of real estate, 18 individual cottages for sale in the city of La Habra. It's hard to come by detached cottages as a multifamily real estate property to get 18 of those units, all single story, all 2-bedroom, 1-bath, all on one piece of land on a good rental street in this marketplace, over a 5 cap, by the way. So this is located at 203 through 247 South Monte Vista Avenue in the city of La Habra. I really like this property. We helped this investor acquire this property many, many years ago, and they're ultimately selling the asset looking for a great buyer that's going to really appreciate the attributes of this real estate. We've adjusted the price to $6.9 million, and I want to talk through some of the numbers on this piece of real estate. This property is situated on over 1.3 acres of land. The average square foot sizes for each cottage is approximately 750 to 800 square feet each. And there is garage parking and open space parking for all the units. Also, the ownership has already gone in and replaced all the electrical subpanels. So what's great about this property is these operate like little single family homes. There's no attached walls, there's nobody living above you. It is as private as it gets as it relates to multifamily apartment setting. So this is going to be desirable for an investor that's maybe looking for really good product. You don't have to deal with SB 721 deck inspections. There are no decks. You're not going to have to deal with any soft story or tuck under parking. There is none of that. So it's really set up and designed for a long-term ownership to acquire a low-density, income-producing multifamily property. If you're an investor in the marketplace and you want to acquire a great piece of real estate, consider this opportunity. Maybe you already own in the city of La Habra and this is your operating area and you're looking to acquire another piece of real estate. Or maybe you own in LA County nearby and you want to get your money into Orange County for the next 5-10-year hold. Reach out to us, click the link below, set up a call. We'll go through the marketing material with you. We'll talk to you through the financials. We'll see if this is a good fit for you. But I really love this property. Again, I love all the attributes about it, and it's so hard to find a piece of real estate like this, especially in a prime market in Orange County. Thanks so much for watching again, and we'll see you soon.